drafting team, we are able to have full control over time management in the design phase, which is the most important, meaning that we can reach out to the client directly and get all our information when needed at the stage that we need it without having to wait and filter it through a third party. So we can ask the exact precise questions that we need. We're able to advance design, and in conjunction with our experience on job site and communication with the contractor, we can make sure that the plans are done as flawless as possible, have all the information that the contractor needs, as well as all the information necessary for cabinetry.
Okay. When the plans are done right, the installation is precise.
The number of revision depends on basically the client's ability to make decisions and to stick with them. A lot of times clients trust us, like most of the time they trust our expertise and they trust our opinion. So it's easy to finalize a plan. And in the case of people that, let's say, have a bit more commitment issues to a design, we're still there and are able to do the revisions to demonstrate certain points. Sometimes people question layout and they want to see another version, and obviously there's a cost attached to multiple revisions, but the time management is better because we're able to right away apply them and basically evaluate the project with the client.
It's a fence, so it's just to accommodate the body of the pop-up plug that's in the island, because it ended up being exactly where the track is, luckily for me. So now I had to find a way to make it work with a shorter track on one side, and this is a first. I've never done a drawer box that has a 21 and an 18-inch track on the same drawer box. So in theory it should open up only as long as the 18 will allow, but it's going to work to be clipped on the 21-inch as well, I think. Let's see, is it going to work? I have never done this before. Please work.
Was the brown on the left side?
This is a pop-up plug. Sorry. Start. Take two. This is a pop-up plug. And it has a whole body, like a rocket kind of thing, on the inside of the cabinet. And it ended up being exactly where the track of the drawers, the slides were. And I gave it a try. I didn't know if it's going to work. Like a drawer box with an 18-inch track and a 21-inch track. But to my surprise, boom. So when you have the same length slides, they both open and stop at the same distance. You close them in and you push, they close at the same distance. With these ones, I lined up the front so they close when it's completely closed. Both of them are right in the front. But when I open it, the 21-inch wants to open more, you see? We can have a giant pop-up plug in the island now with two different size slides for the same drawer box. Ta-da!
I guess the least parties involved, the better the results and the less risk of miscommunication you have, because when somebody is involved in giving instructions for construction when they haven't done construction already, that's a recipe for disaster. So having in-house designers that are also educated in construction is definitely a benefit.